we have seen the main three parts of the tense: present tense, past tense and future tense. And each kind of the tense has four types. Then today we are learning present tense, and present tense has four types: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. There are four types of the present tense. Now first of all we will see the first simple present tense. Simple present tense. First I will tell you where we use simple present tense. We use simple present tense while telling our daily routine or telling universal truth or your habit also. You can say daily routine, universal truth and to tell your habits. You have to use simple present tense. Then structure of the simple present tense is yes plus V1, yes, es, is and object. If there is a structure like this, that sentence will be simple present tense. Now we will see the example. I go to school every day. I go to school every day. This is my routine, or you can say habit also. So I go to school. This sentence is simple present tense. But why this is simple present tense? This is simple present tense because here I is subject, go is V1 and remaining part of the sentence is object. Structure is like this. So this sentence is simple present tense. Then next sentence, sun rises in the east. This is universal truth. Sun rises in the east. This is the truth. While telling universal truth, we have to use simple present tense. But you can notice here, I have written here yes. Why? Because sun is third person noun. Third person noun. If in the sentence of simple present tense, there is a third person singular. Third person singular, he, she, it, these are the third person singular. If there are these subject, you have to use these suffixes to the verb. Or if there is a singular noun, you have to use yes. Then, so I have used here yes, sun rises in the east. Then we will see the present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, when we use while telling the action is going on in the present. Action is going on in the present. This is called present continuous tense. Action is going on in the present. Then the structure of the present continuous tense is yes plus am, is, are plus, be plus, ing plus o. This is the structure of the present continuous tense. We use ing to the verb because action is going on in the present. What are doing in the present? You can say that I am speaking, I am teaching English. This is action is going on in the present. Action is continue in the present. So then we use present continuous tense. For example, I am teaching English. I am now at this time I am teaching English. I am teaching English. This is my action is going on in the present. So I use here ing to the verb and am. Yes plus am, is, are, these are the helping verbs and we, ing and object. Here I is s, am is helping verb and I use ing to the verb and this is object. Then next, you are learning tense. Now you are learning tense. You are learning tense. You are learning tense. This is your present action. So I use ing here and I use are here because am, is, are. You have after you I use are. If there is a he, she, you have to use is. It changes according to the pronoun. Helping verbs changes according to the pronoun. Then we will go on the present perfect tense. Present means what? The action is completed in the present. This is called present perfect tense. Action is perfect, completed or finished. You can say in the present. This is called present perfect tense. Then you can see the formula here. Yes plus have, has plus V3 plus O. Once again, I will tell you that you should know the three forms of the verbs while learning English or tenses of the grammar. Here is V3. V3 means third form of the verb because action is completed. So we have to use V3 here. Yes plus have, has plus V3 plus O. Then I have finished my work. I have finished my work in the present. I have finished my work in the present. So I use ed to the finished because this is V3, third form of the verb. And I use have. This is the formula of the present perfect tense. When your action is finished in the present time, you should use present perfect tense. Then she has written a letter. Her work of writing a letter is finished. So she has written a letter. The process of the writing is finished. So she has written a letter. And I used here have and has according to the pronouns. After we use have and after she we use has. Then fourth part of the present tense is present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. What is the formula? S plus have has. Here is also have has, but there is a been, V plus ing and object. Then S plus have has plus been plus V ing plus object. This is the structure of the present perfect continuous tense. Then what is say? Look at this sentence. They have been playing. They have been playing since morning on the ground. They are still playing, but they are playing since the morning. The action is continue from the morning to until now. To until now, action is continue. So they have been playing since morning on the ground. Then she has been living here since 2016. She has been living from the 2016. She is living and until now she is living here. The action is continue. Action is continuous in the present also. So she has been living here since 2016. And in the next video we will see the examples of these four kinds of the present tense.